Welcome! Today we're building a smart 3D printed project using two types of filament. Let's dive in! I use Sunlu high-speed PLA in black, about 110 grams, and the body printed in 6 hours and 5 minutes. Sleek, sturdy, and ready for its finishing touches. For the inserts, I chose Bambu PLA Basic in Jade White, 135 grams, and they printed in 4 hours and 10 minutes. Clean contrast and perfect for highlighting functional parts. I started by slicing the files. The black body was printed with 0.2mm layer height, 2 perimeters, and 15% infill, solid yet efficient. No supports. Everything was designed to print cleanly. The white inserts, 1 large top insert and 2 small bottom inserts, were sliced with the same settings. And the colour pop makes installation and function visually intuitive. Once the prints cooled, I gently removed them. No snaps or cracks. The cube-style layers in the body were surprisingly crisp. I trimmed any slight blobs and cleaned up layer lines for a smooth finish. Time to assemble. The large top insert simply snaps into the main body, snug and secure. Bottom inserts fit into their slots until they click in place. No glue, no screws, just precision fit. The white contrast against the black body makes each hatch stand out, functional and stylish. All in, 1 day of printing, super simple assembly, and you end up with a sleek two-tone organizer that's both practical and eye-catching. You can customize filament colors, switch to other PLA variants, and even remix the insert layout to fit your needs. Download the files from MakerWorld, pick your favorite filaments, and print your own version today. Show off your creations and tag me. I can't wait to see your color combos. Thanks for watching and happy printing!